make some noise. If you got a whistle, you got a horn, do what you gotta do, yeah? Everybody has come out, all enjoying being in each other's company. We have got so much that connects us, and I think on the Leys we know that. But this is almost like speaking it out loud.
We are one people. We can live together and celebrate each other's culture and learn a lot from each other.
Honestly, it's huge. This area and community felt this is what we want to keep happening in our area, because we want people who live in Summertown, people who live in Marston, to come Blackbird Leys and see the communities.
It's affordable and it's open for everybody. There's no gates, no nothing. It's open for everybody. And the weather is just perfect for it as well.
It's just a way of the community coming together, relaxing for a day, interacting with the skills that the community has to offer, and just a day of joy.